the people, the civilians are kept out of the harm's way as and when the cyclone makes a landfall at the coast of Gujarat. Near Diu itself, 20 kilometers east of Diu is what we've been given to understand, between Diu and Mahua of Bhavnagar. As of now, we're right now reporting from Veeraval, where there are NDRF teams present here, making sure that the evacuation process is assured. There are several houses here that have been completely emptied. There are people who had been living here. These are mostly fishermen who have been shifted from here to nearby government schools, government buildings, and made sure that they're also given masks, and they made sure that the social distancing is also kept in place, because this is also not just the cyclone, but a cyclone during the time that the state is also battling COVID-19 pandemic as well. But the NDRF teams are on the ground making sure that the evacuation has been taken care of. And of course, towards Diu and Bhavnagar, we're getting reports of several trees being uprooted, several structures being damaged as well because of the gusting winds as of now. But of course, it is expected to only intensify further. There are several officials here as well. Let's get a sense from them as to how the situation here in Veeraval is and what are they actually prepared for. Sir, कितने लोगों को यहाँ से evacuate किया है, क्या-क्या precautions लिए गए हैं, खास करके जो ये cyclone है, अभी ये जो आज की रात है वो काफी ज़्यादा crucial रहेगी, तो किस तरह से preparation यहाँ पर किया गया?
सबसे पहली प्राथमिकता ये थी कि जो कोस्टल एरिया का 1 किलोमीटर का एरिया है, जो विंड स्पीड के अनुसार 1 किलोमीटर के एरिया को इवैक्यूएट करके सभी लोगों को शेल्टर में भेज दिया गया है। इसके साथ साथ में उनको कोरोना के बारे में अवेयर करके भेजा गया है कि क्योंकि एक पेंडेमिक से दूसरे पेंडेमिक के बीच में ज़्यादा नुकसान ना हो, इसलिए दोनों के बारे में उनको अवेयर करके शेल्टर होम में भेजा गया है।
So you can see that the NDRF teams are on the ground, and even as we speak, we can see the sea. In fact, there is a level of high tide as well here. It is a windy weather here, and there is of course raining. There's light rainfall here, at least in Veeraval. We're getting reports from Diu as well, where several trees had been uprooted because of the winds. There is heavy rainfall as well in those particular areas. This particular place is around 60 to 65 kilometers away from Diu, where we are expecting that the highest or the maximum impact of this particular landfall will also be. And of course towards Bhavnagar and Mahua, where more teams in fact of NDRF have also been deployed, looking at the changing situation of the cyclone as well. And the Chief Minister Vijay Rupani has also set up several helplines to make sure that not just in the coastal areas, because there are going to be after effects of the storm as well today night and tomorrow all day as well, that there has been a warning that has been issued so that people do not venture out of their houses unnecessarily. In fact, remember, the vaccination for COVID-19 has been suspended for the next 2 days to make sure that people do not venture out of their houses, at least in Ahmedabad, Baroda, Bharuch, all these other central parts of the state as well. But talking about the coastal areas, all of these activities have been suspended. All of the people have been strictly told to not venture out of their houses. The fishermen had been told to not venture out in the sea since the past 2 to 3 days. The signal number 10 has been issued by the IMD to make sure that to show the danger signal, really, that shows that there is a level of cyclonic storm, a very serious cyclonic storm that they are expecting to make landfall here at the coast of Gujarat. And as we report